Ever wanted to make money by doing what you love? Well, now you can. Get paid to watch movies. Sounds too good to be true? Watch this video and you will see how you can make money just by watching a movie. It's an easy way to make money from your couch, and you can get paid up to $200 per movie. This is the best opportunity for you to earn money by doing what you love, watching movies. So, keep watching to the end, check the description box to earn $1,000 or even more each and every day. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. You're probably wondering how this is possible. Well, this is how it works. You just need to watch movies in your spare time and get paid. This is a no-brainer. It's not as hard as you think to get started. You can get paid to review the latest releases and write movie reviews. There are many sites that will work for you. Yes, these sites will pay you for writing movie reviews. Here, I list some of them. 1. Animation Arena. Animation Arena combines animation content. They hire people to review comic movies and books. You may be paid $15 for each review that is published. The required word count for a review is 550. Although professional writing experience is not required, you must have strong grammar and writing skills to succeed in this job. 2. Screen Rant. Screen Rant was founded in 2003. It is a leading entertainment website. Movie and television journalism are the main areas of attention. Including interviews and publications is also part of this. They are continuously looking for contributors with expertise in their respective fields and the willingness to do extensive reviews. If your contribution is approved, you will get compensation based on your level of experience. 3. Bustle. When it comes to cinema, women, style, and daily living, Bustle is a well-liked website. In order to fill these positions, they are looking for writers with a passion for these topics. If you're interested in applying for a position as a writer or just browsing available positions, follow up on their official website. 4. Cracked. Cracked is an online magazine that provides funny movie critiques. Movie reviews are one of the many types of articles that may be submitted, but they need a comedic twist in order to be accepted. You will get a reward of $100 for this post, but if 4 of your posts are accepted, the price will increase to $200 for each post. In the end, don't forget to check the description box to earn $1,000 or more every day instantly. Give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.